In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Bubble.io. Whether you're a night owl who prefers working in darker environments or simply someone who wants to reduce eye strain, enabling dark mode can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make your way to the Bubble.io website. Once you're there, locate the Login button at the top right corner and give it a click. If you haven't logged in yet, you can expedite the process by selecting Continue with Google, which allows you to sign in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be at your Bubble.io project dashboard. Click on Create New Project to start setting up your environment. You'll be prompted to give your project a name. You can try something like Dark Mode for simplicity. After naming your project, hit Start for free, subscribe to Deploy to Live to proceed. Next, we want to create a blank app. Click Create a Blank App to begin your new project. Once this stage is complete, select Get Started and then opt for Start with Basic Features to initiate the default setup. Now that we have our project set up, it's time to head to the Plugins section. Click on Plugins on the sidebar and then hit Add Plugins. In the search bar that appears, type Ionic Elements, and when you find it, click Install. This step is crucial as it brings in the toggle functionality we'll need for the dark mode switch. Next, head over to the Design tab. Insert the Ionic toggle element you've just added as a plugin. In the Properties Inspector, you can set the preset status to Unchecked, which means that dark mode will be the off position by default. Moving on, let's get some groundwork done with data. Navigate to the Data section and click Create a New Field. Name this field Dark Mode and set its type to Yes, No. Be sure to set the default value to No because this ensures that dark mode isn't enabled from the start. We're nearly there. Return to the Design tab and right-click to edit the toggle's workflow. This is where we make the toggle functional. Set the workflow to check whether the current user's dark mode setting is Yes or No. Adjust the conditions and actions accordingly when the toggle value is changed, ensuring that when it switches to Yes, the dark mode is activated for the user. Now let's make it visually apparent. Still in the Design tab, select your page's background and click on Conditional. Define a condition. When the user's dark mode is Yes, the background color should change to black. Similarly, add a text element and within its styles, make a conditional adjustment so that its font color turns white when dark mode is activated. Finally, let's see everything in action. Head back to the Design view and click the Preview button. This will launch your application in a test mode, allowing you to interact with the dark mode toggle. Try switching it on and watch as your app adopts the much cooler, eye-friendly dark aesthetic. There you have it. You've just enabled dark mode in Bubble.io, transforming your project into a sleek, modern workspace. Enjoy the darker side of web development.